It's been raining a lot here over the past few weeks. It looks like that's mostly clearing out and it's just going to be hot now. This past Saturday, I made a trip out to Bandera Bike Park to check out some of the new Enduro lines they've recently built there. I met with Cobra Kyle, Scott Smith, and Kevin. On our way to the top, we hit this quick skinny.
Oh, I guess I'll go then. I'm going little one. Oh my God.
We saw some of the trail builders on our way to the top, including this gigantic piece of machinery that we followed.
Oh my God.
Scott and I lost the group here and we couldn't tell which way they chose. We ended up going down a very steep, fast route to the bottom.
This is crazy steep. Holy. This is not a trail, dude. Yeah. That was so steep. Dude, that was wild. Oh man. Wow. Some high consequences here. Ah, I gotta do that.
So that's all from Bandera Bike Park. Let me know in the comments if you made the trip out there. How'd you like it? What'd you ride? What do you want to see from Bandera? I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Click subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.